In this training session, we're going to go over where your settings lie for certain tabs on your storefront for a main web store. When I say main web store, I'm saying web store that's featuring the design studio, your clip art and design ideas section, and your products. To get to those settings, you're going to go to settings on your top navigational bar and options. Here you'll be able to set up different settings per different store. So I'm going to go ahead and select my InkSoft demo site and click apply. Now the first section that you're going to see is your start page. Now your home page is what normally comes up first. A home page is the page that has the banners, it has your featured products, featured designs, stuff like that. But you can change your start page to be something like a design catalog, or maybe you want to go straight into your products, or you want to bypass all of that and make sure your customers are going straight into the design studio. You can always set up your start page here. Now, all of your other settings here as far as products, design ideas, design studio, and clip art are all settings that you want to turn on or off to your customer. So for example, when I click into products, do I want to display my pricing? Do I want to show the availability for a product? Maybe I have enforced supplier inventory and I want to show that this product is available or it's out of stock. Or maybe I want to display my colors and styles or share my manufacturer logo with my shoppers. You also have the option to sort your products here as well. So you can sort by manufacturer A to Z, the SKU A to Z, maybe you want to do low to high, you can do that here. Now again, these are certain features that is what you want to turn on or off for your product section. Your design ideas and clip art are one of the same. Do you want to enable your designs and clip art? Do you want to select a default product for a clip art section? Do you want to display maybe some design information that you've entered in for specific designs? Again, certain things that you definitely want to take a look at, but a lot of this is very straightforward. Now, a biggest thing to take away from your settings is under your design studio. Here you're going to see a default product. Your default product is definitely something you want to set up, so that's your main product, your best selling product. Another great feature for the design studio is your greet box. Right now you see InkSoft default. When you go to your storefront, that InkSoft default is the 3 clickable links that will show the first time you click on Design Studio. Now, you can always change this greet box to something like a YouTube video if you think that your customers would benefit from maybe a short little video showing them how the design studio works. Or maybe a custom image is something that you want to create. Maybe you want to just do step 1, add your product. Step 2, create your design. Step 3, check out. That's also another great thing to do as well. Or you don't have to have any greet box whatsoever. Now, the biggest thing in this section, and what I can't stress enough, is going into your Stores tab. This is where you're going to be able to set up an email so that once orders are being placed, you're going to be able to get notified when that order goes through. Now, your first section here is the Send Daily Summary of All Notifications order. Now what this is going to do is this is going to send a 1 notification of every order number that happened that day. So order 1, order 2, order 3, etc. Now you can also put as many people in here as you want. So if I wanted to add another person, maybe I want to add myself. So I have my sales@inksoft.com. I'm going to separate with a comma, no space, and put my next email. So it will be email, comma, email, no spaces. Now your second is your blind carbon copy order confirmation. This is actually going to BCC you on every email that's being sent. So you're going to know Jack ordered this, Susan ordered this. So this is a good one to have. And then your last one is your blind carbon copy shipment notification, where if you have certain employees that are moving orders and shipping things out through your order manager, you'll get notified when something gets shipped. I can't stress enough that this is very key. you want to make sure that you're getting notified when orders start being placed. So this is one thing you'll want to make sure that you're going into and setting this up for every store that you're creating. Now, any other questions you have over this, please feel free to reach out to support or take a look at our on-page help guide on this, where it will actually give you a definition for each setting that we have in here.